Alright guys, today we are up here at the Camayan Beach Resort in Subic Bay, and we're down here for the day. I'd like to say a big thank you to Christian down here, and he hooked us up down here, and we're going to enjoy the day down here. I don't know how much talking I'm going to be able to do because it is very windy down here, and the mic picks up the wind very much, or picks up the wind a lot. But hope to get the drone up, but I don't know if that's going to happen because it is very windy. But anyways, guys, we're hanging out down here today. Alright guys, so the wind has died down a little bit, and we just had a little bit of action going on. A bunch of monkeys come from up over the hill here, came down and raided one of the little huts here and took off with their food and everything like that. So a little bit of action going on, and wind's actually died down. The music's finally off. So yeah, it's fun. A lot of action going on.
See monkey. The monkey sell the food. They sell the food. There one cute one there. the baby. You see the baby? Yes, over there.
Wait. Security here chasing off the monkeys. Monkey patrol. At one point there was probably about 15-20 of them up in the trees here, making their way down, trying to get to the food. They raided that little hut right there. Alright guys, wind died down a little bit, but still keeps gusting. There's no way I'm going to get the drone up in the air. I'm disappointed, but hey, it's a beautiful place here, and we'll get it up some other time, but I don't know. It's beautiful here, that's all I gotta say. Yeah. Oh, hang on, hang on.
You wanna swim at the pool? Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Look here. Dong members. Look here. Hey, Jackie, look here.
Bas! Nakainin na naman ako ng tubig.
There's the crew. We're all heading home.
Ready to go home.
Ready to go home.
Yeah.
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 Everybody have a good time?
Yeah.
All right.